Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix TikTok video posted but not showing on your profile and in upload section. So if you are having this kind of problem, then how you can fix that. So you have to watch this video completely. The first thing you have to check is whether you have a strong internet connection or not, which means you have to check whether you are connected to a 4G connection or you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And if you do not have a strong Wi-Fi connection, make sure that you are connected to that. After that, the next thing you have to check whether it is showing that video in draft or not. If it is showing in draft, which means you do not still have posted that video and you have to post that video again. And after that, the next thing you have to check is you have to click on the three lines, and after that you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you have to click on account, and here you have to check whether your account is not converted to private account. So you have to make sure of that. For this, you have to click on privacy, and here you have to check whether this toggle is turned on or off, and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off, because if you turn this on, then your video will not be reached by the people, which means it is only seen by you and the link you send to the people. And after that, if the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to click on app info. In app info, first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and if you are using iPhone or iOS devices, you have to simply offload the app, and here you have to simply clear this cache and storage. And after that, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply uninstall your TikTok and install an updated version of the TikTok, because many problem has been solved by the updated version of the TikTok. In this way you can solve that error. Hope you have liked this video and you subscribe our channel.